excited to be in church tonight? Would you shout hallelujah? I guess every preacher in this room at some time or another, some moment, has had an experience similar to the one that I will share with you tonight. Have you ever had someone in a pulpit make a statement that you really at first disagreed with, did not seem to appreciate, and felt like that it was totally out of place? I did that a while back, and it stung me so strong, I decided I would read the Bible. And you know what? Like Charlie Mahaney used to say, that Bible will shed a lot of light on those commentaries. And there's a whole lot of truth in that book. What happened was, I heard a man get in the pulpit and he was trying to lead worship. And he kept saying, come on, let's make some noise in here. Let's make some noise in the sanctuary. And that just kind of bothered me. I thought, noise, just noise. And then I saw a verse of scripture that they're going to expose to you here tonight that radically changed my view. And they rose up in the twilight to go into the camp of the Syrians, talking about the 4 lepers, and they were come to the uttermost part of the camp of Syria. Behold, there was no man there. Now here it is. For the Lord had made the host of the Syrians to hear a noise of chariots and a noise of horses, even the noise of a great host. And they said one to another, lo, the king of Israel hath hired against us the kings of the Hittites and the kings of the Egyptians to come upon us. The enemy was struck with terror and fled at the noise of horses when there was no horses, and the noise of chariots when there was no chariots, and the noise of a host of people when there was no host of people. The only thing it took to defeat the enemy was noise. It was just noise. And I heard him say, make a joyful. And by the way, let me tell you this. Bartimaeus got healed for one simple reason. He got healed for crying out loud. He got healed for crying out loud. In a day when some people are trying to dumb down Pentecost, when they're trying to get us to get quiet, when they want us to be silent, let's make some noise in the sanctuary tonight and give praise to our God.
Yes. Oh my Jesus.